Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Nifty, what a disappointing trading day. The Nifty has lost more than what it gained yesterday. The markets were already in the downtrend only just because HDFC Bank result came which was slightly better than expectation, and the global cues also supported. Just yesterday there was some short covering, and today that is completely sold into. And yesterday's recovery, it was not really very good because the previous day HDFC Bank was up nearly 2% in US, but it was up only 1% yesterday. And today Bajaj Finance results, after the results it has fallen 3%. And now, as I tweeted earlier, people are assuming that all corporate results will be bad, and the people started selling the stocks ahead of the results, and after the results, if the results are good, let us see. And ahead of the results, IndusInd Bank has fallen, and so most of the stocks ahead of the results are falling. And something is very, very bad in our market. And look at the US markets. All the banking stocks are doing very well after the results recently. But here, after the results, our banking stocks are doing very, very badly. And just now I tweeted, in the last 3 months, small cap index is up 15%. And mid cap index is up about 12%. And Nifty is almost flat. But Bank Nifty is down nearly 4%. So it is the large cap private sector banks that are dragging the markets, and IT and Reliance also going along with them. And what happened to Reliance today? In the morning there was some kind of a short covering. It moved significantly higher. Then from the high point it has fallen about 50 rupees. And some people were asking me why Reliance, because the windfall tax was cut yesterday, why Reliance has to fall so much? And remember, the windfall tax was cut yesterday. Only after that this Israel-Gaza news has come. Some Gaza hospital was attacked. And because of that, the crude prices have shot up. And it looks like the government of India revises the windfall tax and other things once in 15 days. So therefore, what relief the Reliance Industries has got, that is only for maximum of 15 days, not for more than that. So when next time it comes, again the tax may be increased. So with that view, Reliance has also fallen. And since morning, all the large caps were falling except Infosys. Infosys was holding on. But in the last half an hour, 1 hour selling, even that has also fallen. And today it is a complete, what we can say, capitulation in English, which means, surrender. I think the bulls are completely surrendering to the bears right now. And there is a long-term picture. Maybe that will be too long time. It will take too long time to explain. So maybe I'll come out with another video. I've been telling you the next 3 months is going to be challenging. And because once all these things, geopolitical tension and all this settles down, then by that time the 5-state election, I think 5-state election results are more or less, the markets are trying to factoring in. So that could be one reason why our markets are, very, very weak. Global cues is just an excuse for the sell-off, but otherwise the large cap stocks are already undercurrent is very, very weak and very, very fragile. So Nifty today closed at the lowest point, so that is really not very good. And Europe and US markets were not reacting that much. They are reacting, they are negative, but they are down but not out. But it looks like we are out. So looking at the open interest, and people have sold call options aggressively from 19,700 to 19,900. And there was unwinding in 19,800 PE, 19,700 PE. So all those they are shifting to 19,600 PE. So looks like tomorrow it is going to be between 19,600 and 19,800. So yesterday FIIs were net buyers and everybody thought, FIIs have become buyer, so things may turn around, but my famous joke I always tell, in a movie, so the people will come and beat one guy, then somebody will say, so what is this? He says 3, then he'll say, okay, it's very clear you beat him more. 1 or 2 days they become buyer, so they create an image that things are clear, and then they again come and sell heavily. And today FIIs have sold for 1,800 crores. The domestic institutions have bought for about 1,500 crore, but that did not help. So 1,800 crore selling just after 1 day of buying, so this shows, throughout the October, here and there 1 or 2 days they were becoming net buyers, but other than that generally they keep selling. So usually October month used to be a bullish month for our markets, but this month it's doubtful. So anyway, we still have how many more trading sessions? 5 more trading sessions. So let us see what is going to happen. So it all depends on how the US market is going to close today and then tomorrow. I think markets are likely to be weak. So market will become strong only if it crosses 19,920 on the higher side, and look for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is looking even more bearish. So let us see tomorrow what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.